In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a homepage link to the Navbar logo in Webflow. This is a simple yet effective way to ensure that when someone clicks on your logo, they are redirected back to your website's homepage. So, let's dive right in. To start, navigate to your Webflow project and locate the image or logo within your navigation bar. This is the visual element that users will click on to return to the home page. It's a good idea to use the inspector panel on the right to clearly identify this logo, which is usually available in your designer view. Once you've selected your image or logo, the next step is to right-click on it. This should bring up a context menu where you'll want to choose the option Wrap with Link Block. Alternatively, if you prefer, or if you encounter any issues, you can manually place the logo inside a link block using the Add panel. This method involves dragging and dropping a link block from the Elements palette in Webflow, and then placing your logo inside it. The critical thing here is that your logo needs to be wrapped in a link block because this is what allows it to function as a clickable link. After your logo is properly wrapped in a link block, it's time to define the destination for this link. With your link block selected, you'll want to access the link settings. You can find this option in the settings panel on the right-hand side of your screen while the link block is selected. In the settings menu, you'll see various linking options. Here, what you want to do is choose the option labeled Page. From the drop-down menu that appears, simply select Home. This action tells Webflow that whenever someone clicks on the logo within the navbar, they should be taken directly to the home page of your website. And that's it. You've successfully made your navbar logo a return ticket home for your website visitors. Before we wrap up, remember to double-check how it's working. Preview your site within Webflow by clicking the Preview button, and click the navbar logo to ensure it navigates correctly to your home page. Everything should be functioning seamlessly, providing an intuitive and user-friendly experience for anyone browsing your site. Incorporating navigation links on your navbar logo is a best practice for web design, as it combines branding with user navigation, ensuring that your audience can easily find their way back to where they started from. So, take a moment to review and refine your steps as necessary, and enjoy the ease and professionalism you've just brought to your Webflow project. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.